Text, Bible videos. Title, Jesus is scourged and crucified. A guard thrashes Jesus's back with a whip while his wrists are tied to the metal bars of his cell. Jesus winces slightly with each strike. A Roman soldier pauses and stands in front of the cell, looking at Jesus. Bloody slashes cover Jesus's back. Jesus looks into the soldier's eyes. He holds his gaze as he winces. The Roman removes his helmet, then lowers his eyes. His eye twitches as Jesus is struck. The Roman soldier lowers his head and walks away. The guard with the whip stops. He loosens the ropes at Jesus's wrists. Other guards press a crown of thorns on his head and drape a purple robe over his shoulders. They shove him away. A narrow, stone-paved city street. People line both sides as soldiers approach on horseback. The riders can barely fit through the crowd. Jesus follows behind, flanked by more guards. He carries a cross over his shoulder, dragging it behind him. Jesus struggles with the cross. A guard notices the slowdown. He grabs a man from the crowd and shoves him toward Jesus. The man takes the cross and begins carrying it. Jesus follows. Someone yanks the purple robe from Jesus's shoulders, revealing his blood-stained robe. A Roman soldier strikes a hammer. Jesus lays on the cross as the soldier drives nails into his hands. Jesus shudders with each blow. A crowd stares up at Jesus, who hangs above them on the cross. Jesus breathes heavily and slowly. The sky turns dark.
Forgive them, for they know not what they do.
Soldiers and onlookers watch. Jesus hangs, nails through his palms and wrists. He sees his mother with John.
Behold, thy son.
Mary weeps.
Behold, thy mother.
Jesus raises his eyes.
Father, into thy hands I commit my spirit. It is finished.
His head slowly drops to his chest. His last breath escapes. Dark clouds fill the sky as Jesus hangs lifeless on the cross. The screen fades to black.